I used to think love meant having no fences, saying yes to every midnight call from a friend, every family demand, every time my partner needed fixing. Until I collapsed like a garden drowning in good intentions, my own roots starved while watering everyone else's needs. That's when I planted my first boundary, telling my best friend, "I love you, but I can't take late calls anymore. Text me, and I'll answer when I'm rested." And something magical happened. She thanked me. Because boundaries aren't walls that push people away. They're invisible fences that show others where your sacred soil begins, transforming resentment into respect. They translate your heart's needs into a language love understands. My time matters. My energy matters. My peace matters too. Start small, where you feel drained or resentful. That's your fence waiting to be built. Tend your garden. Real love doesn't fear boundaries. It grows stronger because of them.